Turn off the power switch and disconnect the plug from the wall outlet before maintaining the machine. Otherwise, injury or electrical shock may result. If lint and bits of thread accumulates in the hook, this will interfere with the smooth operation of the machine. Check regularly and clean the stitching mechanism when necessary. Remove the needle and presser foot. Remove the bobbin cover and bobbin. Remove the screws on the needle plate. Remove the needle plate. Clean the feed dogs and bobbin case with a brush. And also use a soft and dry cloth to clean them. After cleaning, attach the needle plate. Tighten the screws. Tighten the screws with a driver. Set the bobbin and the bobbin cover.